Everything is ready. This vacation will be perfect. I organized everything.
Ethan, did you check the passports?
Nobody will see these toys. This trip will be awesome.
Noah is so funny. Mom will definitely see those toys. Oh no, this will be hilarious.
Tickets? Perfect. Suitcases? Perfect. This family is lucky to have me.
Wait.
The passports. Where are the passports?
Uh-oh. Something bad is happening. Dad forgot them again, right? I think Mom is angry. Where are the passports?
Oh no. Dad forgot the passports again. This vacation is in danger.
Wait. They were here. Where are the passports?
Ethan, tell me the truth.
I think they might still be at home.
What? We are doomed! Our vacation is finished!
Everybody search!
We are running out of time!
Wrong thing, Noah!
Wait! I found them! Oh, thank goodness. We can still make it!
Run faster!
The vacation is saved!
My legs are too short!
Hurry, everybody! We are already late!
Kids, get inside quickly! We're going to the airport! I'm going to the airplane!
Please, hurry! We cannot miss the airplane! Relax, my friend.
We made it. This airport is huge!
See? I told you everything would be fine.
Passports, please.
Of course! Oh no,
Is there a problem, sir?
I can't find them!
Ethan.
Not again.
We are doomed.
I forgot the passports again.
Please, don't tell me.
I can't find them.
We're stuck here forever. I knew it.
Ethan, how did this happen again?
I thought they were in my pocket. Noah! Give me your backpack!
What? Why?
The passports.
What? They were in Noah's backpack?
I kept them safe.
We are saved!
Next time, I will carry the passports.
That is probably a good idea.
You still have them, right?
Yes! I still have them!
You almost destroyed the vacation.
But I saved the vacation too.
Do not lose them again.
I promise.
Final boarding call for flight AA123 to New York, gate B17. We still have time.
We are finally going!
And this time, I have the passports!
Dad, we are really going inside the airplane.
Yes. And nobody lost the passports this time.
We are finally inside the airplane.
And finally relaxing. You can let go of the passports now.
Never.
We are flying on. This is amazing.
I will keep them now.
The clouds look magical. This is the best day ever.
Next vacation will be easier.
I hope so.
We made it.
And nobody lost the passports.
Everything looks different here. This place is beautiful. It feels magical here.
This is only the beginning.
Wow. The city is huge.
Our adventure starts now.
That cafe looks beautiful.
Let's go inside. Welcome.
Thank you.
I cannot read this menu.
Me neither.
Everything looks delicious.
Let's try something new.
Do you know the name of this city?
No.
This is Tokyo.
Wow. Tokyo is beautiful.
Yeah, it is really beautiful.
That food was amazing.
Tokyo food is wonderful.
Thank you for the food. It was delicious. You are welcome. It is our duty. You are welcome anytime. Can you recommend a good hotel nearby? There is a beautiful hotel near here, the Sakura Hotel. Thank you so much. Go straight down this street. The Sakura Hotel is very close. Ah, I understand.
Tokyo looks even cooler at night.
It really does.
The waiter told me about a hotel nearby.
Let's go there and rest. We are exhausted today.
Are we close to the hotel?
Very close.
Wow. That hotel looks fancy.
That is our hotel.
This hotel is huge.
It looks very comfortable. Welcome to Sakura Hotel.
Thank you. We would like one family room.
How many nights will you stay?
3 nights, please.
I want to sleep.
Almost there. Your room is ready.
Thank you so much. We finally made it. And nobody lost the room key.
I cannot walk anywhere.
The room is upstairs.
This elevator is so cool.
Wait until you see the room.
I think I am already dreaming.
Stay awake a little longer.
Home for the next 3 days.
Finally.
Wow! This room is beautiful!
We finally made it.
This bed is amazing!
I think I might sleep for a week.
Tokyo looks magical at night.
Tomorrow will be even more exciting.
What a crazy day.
But a beautiful one.
I am so tired.